Hey there! Congratulations on deciding to become part of our coaching team, Fitness on Fire. Now, this opportunity means a lot of different things for different people. You can just, want to get the discount on the products, you can do things here and there, or you can be a go-getter and make this into a full-time, legitimate 6 or 7 figure business in just a few short years. If you are committed to putting in the time and the effort to make this work, you have to be consistent, you have to be diligent, and just not give up. You have to believe in yourself. So welcome to this team. I am just so excited for you. I'm honored that you have decided to be on our team, and I am here to help you be successful and meet your goals. We all have different goals, we all have different reasons, and so I'm going to give you some things in this email to help you get started before we move on to more steps. So first, I just want you to think about your why. Why did you decide to do this? Your reason. What is this opportunity going to do for you? Maybe it's personal. Maybe it's about a family member or a really good friend. Maybe it is for the business. You want to be home with your kids. You want to pay off debt. You want to buy a new house. Whatever it is. So I have attached a form. It's called the About Me form, and I would like you to fill that out and send it back to me. Also in the email, I'd like you to tell me any questions or hesitations that you have, because I want to help you feel comfortable and clear those up for you. All right, I'm going to be adding you into our private Facebook group for coaches. That's just where I share announcements and things like that. I'll also be sending communication through email, so feel free to use this email address. I'm also including my phone number in the email, so feel free to call or text me anytime you need something. I'm always here to ask you questions. Don't feel like you're bothering me. This is my job, is to help you be successful. So that's your first assignment, to fill out the About Me form, to read this email. You may even want to print it out or at least save it somewhere where you know you're not going to lose it. I also want you to log into your Coach Online office and just start looking around. It may seem overwhelming. You may not know what things are or where things are located, but just log in. So you'll log into your Team Beachbody account. Up on the blue bar, you'll click Coach Online Office. Just look around in there. Explore some things under the My Business tab, get familiar with where things are, and then there's also a training tab. You can go there and there's training already set up for you to help you get started as a new coach. I will be sending you things as well, but just start looking around. You may have to hear things multiple times, so it's not going to be redundant if you hear something, from there and then you hear it from me. You just start learning, start getting familiar. You also want to make sure that you are active on Shakeology Home Direct. So if you signed up with a challenge pack, which you should have whenever you sign up as a coach, you're active on Shakeology Home Direct. You have to be a product of the product. You have to, share your journey. So be prepared for all of that. So again, I just want to welcome you, tell you how honored I am to have you as part of this team. And that's exactly what we are. We are a team. We work together. We help each other. I'm always here for you. And I just want to see you succeed in your personal health and fitness goals, in your business goals. I want to see your confidence shine through. I just, really want this to be a great experience for you. So please let me know how I can help. And I can't wait to read your About Me form and then move on to the next step. Talk to you soon.